Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of May 2025, our system has classified MicroAlgo as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.78. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has incurred a loss of 47.24%. This amounts to an average loss of 5.90% each day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 12.83% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 12.83% to 1,284.16%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -26.78%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -100% to 8,942.92% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $189.90. Our latest daily update for MicroAlgo includes the headline, Significant Movements in MicroAlgo Inc. stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating by 30.93% between high and low. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price fell by 13.58% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, dropping from $2.43 to $2.10. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 30.93%, with a low of $1.94 and a high of $2.54. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 60.97% during this period. Volume also declined on the last day alongside the stock, which is a positive indicator, as volume should typically follow the stock's movements. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 9 million shares, with a total of 27 million shares traded for approximately $56.20 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $509.60, while the lowest price was $1.11. Currently, the price is 99.59% or $507.50 below the 52-week high, and 99.99% or $14,297.90 below the all-time high recorded on the 13th of December 2022, when the price peaked at $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc. has recently made headlines with a series of innovative developments that stand to impact its stock price significantly in both the short and long term. On the 14th of May, the company announced research into a quantum information recursive optimization algorithm aimed at tackling combinatorial optimization problems. This follows the 12th of May revelation of their quantum convolutional neural network architecture, which integrates quantum mechanics principles to enhance traditional computer vision tasks. Adding to this momentum, a quantum image encryption algorithm was introduced on the 8th of May, offering improved security for image protection. Earlier, on the 2nd of May, MicroAlgo unveiled technology based on variational quantum algorithms that optimizes deep learning processes, reflecting a continuous commitment to advancing quantum machine learning. Additionally, the company's quantum edge detection algorithm, announced on the 1st of May, is set to redefine real-time image processing, optimizing efficiency in computational tasks. Financially, MicroAlgo reported a notable turnaround in the year 2024, achieving 53.4 million renminbi in net income after years of losses, driven by robust demand for its central processing algorithm services. With these developments, MicroAlgo is strategically positioned for growth, indicating potential stock price appreciation as market perception of its innovations and profitability strengthens. The substantial increase in shareholding by WiMi Hologram Cloud to 67.65% further highlights confidence in MicroAlgo's trajectory. setting the stage for future stability and investor interest. Overall, these advancements not only enhance MicroAlgo's technological capabilities, but also catalyze investor confidence, paving the way for a promising outlook. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The stock of MicroAlgo Inc. holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $2.64 and $10.62. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31st, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 91.34%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots identified a sell signal 32 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 245 days ago. Short-term moving average displayed a buy signal 19 days ago. Long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 18 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average triggered a sell signal 23 days ago. Long-term moving average issued a sell signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 46 days ago. For further signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the upcoming days. This stock is likely to experience significant daily fluctuations, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.6 between its high and low, which is approximately 30.93%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 35.39%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroAlgo, let us briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could pose risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $2.43. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which suggests that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from various analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Inc. stock currently shows several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that MicroAlgo Inc. will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 15th of May, we expect MicroAlgo to open higher by approximately 9.33 cents, starting at $2.19. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. It is important that you do not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.